Hello everyone, welcome to the Science Funda. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most fascinating aspects of plant physiology, that is plant growth regulators or PGRs. What are plant growth regulators and what is the significance in plants? Plant growth regulators are chemical substances or hormones that control and coordinate every stage of plant's life cycle. Now, look at this figure. When you come across words like plant growth regulators, plant growth substances, plant growth hormones, plant hormones or phytohormone, it's one and the same. The remaining four are other terms of PGRs. There are many plant growth regulators. Some of the main PGRs are auxins, gibberellins or gibberellic acid, the short form is GA, cytokinin, ethylene and abscisic acid or APA. Now, how to remember these 5 PGRs? Whenever you are confused or in problem, the best person to seek suggestion or advice is the elder person in the family. Now, who is the eldest in the family? Your grandparents, your grandfather or your grandmother. They will give you the best advice from their experience. So here is the mnemonics for you for PGR based on a grandmother. The mnemonic is ask grandma's clever expert advice. The first letter of each word in the mnemonic represent each PGR. A for auxin, G for gibberellin, C for cytokinin, E for ethylene and A for abscisic acid. Next is characteristic. All these PGR have some characteristic such as they are intercellular factors, they are small simple molecule of diverse chemical composition, they have specific action on plants, they either promote or inhibit growth, and they are vital for plant survival. Now let's talk about the types of PGR. Based on chemical composition, plant growth regulators are divided into 5 categories. The categories are indole compounds, adenine derivatives, derivatives of carotenoid, terpenes and gases. Auxin come under indole compound. We have cytokinin, that is adenine derivative. Abscisic acid is a derivative of carotenoid. Under terpene we have gibberellin, and ethylene is the only gaseous plant growth regulator. Plant growth regulators are also classified based on their function. Based on their function, they are either promoters or inhibitors. Plant growth promoter will encourage growth promoting activities such as cell division, cell enlargement, pattern formation, tropic growth, flowering, fruiting and seed formation. Plant growth inhibitors will initiate growth inhibiting activities such as they will respond to stresses of biotic and abiotic origin. They will initiate dormancy and abscission. Auxin, gibberellin and cytokinin are plant growth promoters, whereas abscisic acid is the plant growth inhibitor. If we see the diagram, you will realize that ethylene is not classified under promoter or inhibitor because it acts as both promoter as well as inhibitor, but largely it acts as an inhibitor. All these PGR play a vital role in plant from seed germination to fruit ripening. Coming back to function of PGR, imagine the life cycle of a plant. Imagine the plant growing and turning into tree. Imagine that tree ripening the fruit and dealing with all stresses. Here, auxin help it grow upward. Gibberellins make it taller and stronger. Cytokinin ensure it stays healthy and green. Ethylene helps it ripen its fruit. And abscisic acid ensure it survive in stressful condition. These regulators don't act in isolation. For example, while auxin encourage upward growth, cytokinin promote branching. Similarly, ethylene signal fruit ripening, but abscisic acid ensure that the plant survives in tough conditions. In conclusion, PGRs are like plant's internal team of manager. Each plays a unique role and ensure that a plant grows, survives and reproduces successfully. So next time if you see a ripe mango or tall sunflower, remember it's all thanks to PGR. That's the end of the video. Comment below if you want the detailed video on functions of PGR. Also, if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and share with your friend. Subscribe this channel for more educational videos. Thank you so much. Dev Bare Karu.